Hi, Paul here from the Three Culinary Gangsters. This is the dessert course for our Best of Irish. For tonight's dessert we are doing a bread and butter pudding. You will need a litre of milk, you will need 4 eggs, 100 grams of sugar. Sultanas or raisins are optional, but you can use them if you wish, and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will need about 10 slices of bread, buttered on each side also. Your oven will be set to 180, and I'm going to show you how to make that now. Awesome. I have 4 eggs here in the bowl. I've just whisked them together. I also have the litre of milk just brought up to the boil, and I've stopped it. Okay. And now I'm going to add 1 ladle at a time. This is called tempering into my egg mix as not to scramble it. So add in a ladle at a time. Whisk really quickly as not to scramble the egg until about half of the milk liquid is already in the egg mix, and then you're going to treat it like a custard. Stop. Go. Okay, I have neglected to mention that I have my sultanas here soaking with the last hour in just a little bit of water, a small bit of sugar. I have also added into this a little bit of the vanilla, so about a tablespoon or a teaspoon or into this mix. But if you don't like sultanas, add the vanilla into the custard mix and it'll do the exact same thing. Now I'm going to add my egg and milk mix back into the pot to cook it out like a custard until it coats the back of a spoon. Now with this recipe I have a little bit extra to serve with the bread and butter pudding, a little bit of custard. Okay? Now the custard here is nearly done. And so just to show you the consistency you're looking for, when you put in a spoon, it should hold the line. It's not quite thick enough for me yet, just another minute or two and it will be okay to use. Now as you can see, all the bubbles have pretty much gone and my spoon holds a little thicker film on the back of it. Now to assemble it, what we have done is put the bread down the bottom, a few sultanas, and just put in a ladle, just cover it round, put in plenty, so because it will soak into the bread, and just repeat the layers. Now I've kept the crusts here, so most places, if you don't like the crust, don't use them to give a finer finish, but I like the crust to use absolutely everything. Now with your 10 slices of bread, I have kept the crust, so I have this lovely little mosaic here for the top. So, and just to finish it, then into the oven for about an hour until the top of it is golden brown and crunchy and ready to serve. Now that I've taken out the bread and butter pudding out of the hour after about 50 minutes, I just checked it and it's cooked through. The way you do it, just stick a knife down through into the center, right here, and it should come up clean, like you would a cake. Now I'm going to leave this cool for about 20 minutes and half an hour, so I can actually cut into it a little bit easier, and it comes up so I can present it a little bit neater on the plate. And here we have it, bread and butter pudding with custard, and to wash it down, a nice strong mug of tea. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, so if you could like and share on your own Facebook page. If you can also follow me at Chef Paul C on Instagram and Twitter, and see you in the next video. Also stay tuned for our foraging event. If you can come along on the 25th in Ballyseedy at the north side, which is the Ballingarry House Hotel side of the forest. It would be great to see you there for some wild garlic foraging, amongst other things. And hope to see you there. Bye.